a rose gold, huh? oVertone rose gold for brown hair. The bottom half of my hair is still virgin-ish. I mean, no bleach and no permanent color. So you'll get to see how it goes on that and how it reacts to the highlights as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna prep with conditioner on my ears and my forehead and my neck, as I usually do, to kind of prevent any staining. I've got a trash bag covering my sink. I don't wanna make a mess here. This is the oVertone Rose Gold for brown hair. Using gloves, apply evenly to dry hair. You can keep it in an hour or just the 10-15 minutes. This is vegan and cruelty-free, free of sulfates, parabens, ammonia, suitable for all hair types. Whoa. Oh my god, guys, that is like really it's always like my heart skips a beat and I'm all excited and nervous at the same time. It's like mayonnaise consistency. Let's go. I guess I gotta just get it on. Oh, got it on my forehead. I always do this. Oh, I forgot my cape here. Nice smell. I feel like it might be time to comb it through. This is a rose gold, huh? And supposedly this is like really good deep conditioning for your hair too. All right, we're gonna clean up. I ended up using like a half or 2/3 of the big tub. So if you have long hair, you probably need 2 tubs just to be safe. I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour. I'm gonna go do some work and then I'm gonna wash it out and we'll check in then. Be sure to subscribe, guys. We are freshly rinsed out. It is the first color that didn't need to be bleached out of my tub, so that's cool. You can see that the highlights really picked it up. They are gonna be really pink, and the brown hair is probably gonna be the rose gold, like barely a hint of pink. We'll see. So here it is, really bright and vibrant, especially on the highlights, but even on the virgin unbleached brown hair, still a fun color. And now we have to wait and see how it does. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to their conditioner and we'll see how much it fades. Usually these are like half out after the first wash. Really fun color here. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned, guys. Comment on which color we should do next. Bye.